Birds, or aves as they're often called, are some of the most unique animals on the planet. Birds have feathers and wings, they lay eggs, and some species can even fly. Each bird also has a distinctive beak, which is not only interesting but also important for a bird's survival. Beaks are uniquely adapted to allow different birds to eat different types of foods. To better understand how each individual beak works, we can compare them to everyday household items. Keep in mind that beaks and bills are the same thing, but bill typically describes that of an aquatic bird. Eagles are birds of prey, meaning they hunt other animals as meals. Birds don't have teeth, so eagles need another way to tear through their food. A sharp, curved beak that comes to a point allows eagles to catch live prey and rip through tough meat. This kind of beak works like a staple remover. Because of its sharp, curved points, it can easily separate staples from paper. A dull, round spoon would be inefficient for a job like this. Hummingbirds feed on the sugary nectar produced by flowers. A long, skinny beak allows hummingbirds to probe deep into the base of each flower where the nectar is located. This works like an eyedropper or turkey baster, which can suction out liquids from small openings. Can you see how a beak like an eagle's would not be suitable for this? While swans don't have teeth, they do have tiny jagged edges in their bills that look like teeth and help collect their main food sources, aquatic plants, algae, and small fish. These fine little edges help to comb out food from mouthfuls of water, sand, and other debris. This is similar to how a spaghetti strainer works, filtering water from your pasta. Some birds are insectivores, meaning they feed primarily on insects. For birds like woodpeckers, these bugs are difficult to reach, hidden in trees and within bark. A woodpecker's beak is sharp and pointed, which allows them to chisel away at hard wood. Along with that, woodpeckers' beaks are longer than those of other birds so that they can fit into the holes they drill and reach the insects. This is like how a pair of tweezers can be used to easily pick up tiny objects in hard-to-reach places. Sparrows have strong beaks, which allow them to crack open nuts and seeds to receive nutrients. Because most nuts and seeds are in easy-to-reach places, a sparrow doesn't require a long beak like other birds. Its short, stout beak will do just the trick. It's easy to see how a beak like this can be compared to a nutcracker. You can probably guess what a spoonbill's bill resembles. Like a slotted spoon, this bird's flat, rounded bill can swish through shallow waters and sands and scoop up any crustaceans or small fish it may come in contact with. Additionally, it can strain out water so that its meal isn't too soggy. Beaks and bills allow birds to do so many things: eat, hunt, preen, court, and so much more, all while helping us to learn about birds as well. By looking at a bird's beak, you can get a good idea of that bird's diet. On the other hand, if you already know what a bird eats, you can better understand the adaptation behind each unique beak shape. There are so many different types of birds and so many unique beaks that work just like everyday items. Can you think of any others?